What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Gotta rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man and don't you hear it, major song, and I like that.
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm going to give you guys 30 family fun, kid-friendly ideas to do while you're on holiday break. So starting with number 1, build a fort. Building a fort is always fun. My family has done it multiple times. I think we're going to do it again. Spa day. Have a spa day. Do your nails. Guys can participate too. Boys can participate too. Get them nails together, toes together, feet together. Do all that stuff. Number 3, read books. It's always fun to read a book. Read a chapter book as a family. Pass the book around. Talk about the chapters. Talk about what you think is going to happen next. All that type of stuff. That's always fun too. Puzzles. Doing puzzles are always fun. You can do a puzzle with 3,000 pieces and just do it as a family. Put it on a nice big piece of cardboard and go from there. Escape room. Create your own escape room. Tape clues around the room and one clue leads to another and try to escape that room. Number 6 is super dope. We always did it as kids. Me and my siblings. My father taught us how to make paper airplanes. And of course, my dad always made the best paper airplanes. So me and my brothers used to, I don't know if my sisters participated or not, but I mainly remember my brothers and I making paper airplanes and saying who's can fly the best, who can do the best twirls and all kind of stuff. So paper airplanes are super duper fun, super duper dope. Try them paper airplanes out. Number 7, which is my favorite number, and also I didn't do this on purpose, but I got number 7 listed as one of my most favorite things. And y'all know, if you know, you know, DIY projects. Create some DIY projects. Do anything. Like my favorite DIY projects are Dollar Tree DIY projects. So go ahead and try out some Dollar Tree DIY projects. Go ahead and check out my DIY project playlist. Let the whole playlist run. Easy, affordable, cute, fun, creative. Check them out. Number 8, my kids are going to love this. The Floor is Lava. They love playing The Floor is Lava. We watch that show as a family on Netflix, but sometimes, like when we're at stores and even at home, we play The Floor is Lava. Number 9, play Family Feud. We have a Family Feud card box that we never even opened, but you can even go on YouTube and type in like Family Feud questions. You can do never have I ever questions, what would you do questions, guess this, guess that. But that's something my family also does. Or of course, you can always, you know, write down your own questions and research top 10 answers. 10, exercise. Exercise as a family. That's what we're about to start in this house, especially with the new year coming up. That's one thing we really want to work on is exercising. If you have little kids at home, you can make it fun. Use your toddler as a bench press. Number 11 is color, sketch, paint. We love to color, sketch, and paint in this house. So I love to sketch. I go on YouTube and I type on how to draw this. And so I sketch it along with the YouTuber. And then I color it. The last thing I did was a Stitch character for my daughter. I'm going to post it right here so you can see it. It was super relaxing, super fun, super dope. My daughter loves to paint. My son loves to color. So that was pretty fun. Number 12 is watch movies. It's always fun to watch movies. Pop some popcorn, get some snacks, get some water, juice boxes, all kind of stuff, and just watch you a movie. We also love number 13 in our house. It's balloon tennis. So blow up a balloon. Don't let it touch the floor. We also did it as kids, me and my brothers. It was so fun, and you gotta be careful though. Just be careful, clear the floor, move the table, blow up a balloon, go get you a pack of balloons from Dollar Tree. Don't let the balloon touch the floor. Or you can set up something that goes across your room to divide the room, and some on this side, some people on this side, and play balloon tennis. So that's easy, affordable, fun, kid-friendly. Number 14, I don't know if people do it often, but you can put on a play. I myself love plays. So, you know, tap into that creativity. Use your imagination. Go upstairs, dress up, come down, and put on a play. 15, you can cook and bake together. So go ahead and cook dinner together, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Bake some dessert together. I'm actually going to record a video today with my daughter. We're going to make some donuts in her new donut maker that she got for Christmas. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything I post. Number 16, we did this as well. I'm going to post a picture right here. We did this when my daughter was little, before my son was even born. We made a castle using boxes. So if you got boxes laying around from Christmas, or if you end up going to your home improvement store or any store and they have boxes that you can have, go ahead and get them boxes and make yourself a nice castle. She was able to crawl all through the castle. Unfortunately, I was not a YouTuber at that time, so I did not create a video about it, but I think we might have to do it again. Number 17, play charades. Charades is always pretty cool. 18 is one of my favorites, karaoke. Number 19 is do a scavenger hunt. Who would want to do a scavenger hunt? That's always fun. Number 20 is also pretty dope. My daughter actually did this in one of her YouTube videos. She created a science experiment, which was super, super fun. So I'm going to post a link in the description box down below so you can check that video out. I'll post a little clip right here so you can see exactly what happened.
You put an acid and a base together. It creates a chemical reaction. Vinegar is the acid, baking soda is the base.
But go ahead and check that video out so you can see what you would need in order to create this effect. Number 21, easy, lemon squeezy, DIY bowling game. So set up you some pins made out of something, empty water bottles, just ball up some socks and roll the ball. An easy peasy, lemon squeezy, DIY bowling game that you can do at home with you and your family. Number 22, you can create a pasta necklace. I remember doing that in school, in elementary school. We created a pasta necklace, so that's something fun, easy. Number 23, you can play truth or dare. 24, hot potato, always fun. You can make it even more fun if you say whoever drops the potato, gotta do something, add a little something to the game. 25, board games. Go ahead and get them board games out. Monopoly, Sorry, Pop the Pig. 26, I'm actually thinking about doing it with my family. It's a fingerprint family tree. So you just paint your thumb, put your fingerprints, and put your name for the fingerprints. And you can also just add your other relatives in there so the kids can actually know how your family actually comes together and that's connected. So I'm actually thinking about doing that with my family during holiday break. Number 27 is something I really need to do. It's huge. It's a garage sale. Although there's a lot of snow outside, I still want to get rid of a lot of stuff that needs to go. So a garage sale is also a nice idea. Everyone comes together, go in your rooms, collect all the stuff you don't want anymore that's in good shape, good condition. Go in the basement, open up all them totes and that stuff you ain't used in a long time. Get that stuff out and just have a garage sale, or just simply just give it away. Take it to your local Goodwill or the Salvation Army and just get rid of it. Number 28 is fun, but you got to be careful. It's an obstacle course, so who knows? Get you some rings and hop through the rings and slide on the pillow, or I don't know, something. Go ahead and create you an obstacle course, a safe, fun, easy obstacle course for you and your family. Number 29 is card games. My favorite card game is Tonk and Speed. I'm sure kids know how to play Go Fish. If not, teach them. Back in the day, me and my brothers played I Declare War. What else? Match, which is always easy, especially for my toddler. So all those games are really fun. Spades, of course, if you know how to play spades. If your kids know how to play spades. Don't come for me, but I don't know how to play spades. I played one time in my life. My husband knows how to play, so I'm sure he'll teach us how to play spades. Number 30 is the most important. Just relax, laugh, and simply enjoy your time together and enjoy holiday break. And I hope you've all had a wonderful Christmas. I hope you all have a wonderful, safe, fun New Year. I hope the TV wasn't too loud for y'all. My toddler's over there. He keeps turning it up because he's kind of like, Mommy already heard it with this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a fat thumbs up. In the comment section, say, hey, T. And out of all 30 of these ideas, tell me what your favorite was or what you want to try with your family. And I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.
'Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Gotta rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth.